Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto on Binance. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. Then, locate the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. This is where you manage your various cryptocurrencies. Next, identify the specific cryptocurrency you intend to send to another Binance user. Make sure you have sufficient funds available for the transfer. Once you've selected your crypto, click the Withdraw button. For transfers between Binance accounts, choose the option to send via email/phone/pay ID. This method is typically faster and incurs no fees. Carefully input the recipient's Binance-registered email address or phone number. Double-check this information to prevent sending funds to the wrong person, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, specify the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details displayed on your screen. Confirm the recipient's information and the amount. Binance will then prompt you to complete security verification, which usually involves a two-factor authentication code. This step ensures the security of your funds and prevents unauthorized transfers. After successfully completing the security verification, confirm the transfer. The transaction will then be processed by Binance. Typically, transfers between Binance accounts are nearly instant, meaning the recipient should see the funds in their wallet very quickly. You can always check your transaction history within your Binance account for real-time status updates and confirmation of the completed transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.